Hey friends, welcome back. In this quick video, I'll walk you through how to customize your bundle page in Selsy step by step. First, log into your Selsy dashboard, head over to the bundle you want to customize, and click on the Customize Landing button. This opens the landing page editor where you can personalize everything to match your brand. On the left panel, you'll see editable components like the Hero section, course elements, layout, and typography. Click on the Hero section to edit the title, description, and button text. You can easily change text colors, upload background images, or even switch to solid or gradient backgrounds, all from the right side settings panel. Want to customize the My Courses section? Just scroll down and click on it. You can change titles, colors, background images, or apply solid or transparent styles, just like the Hero section. Selsy gives you full control without needing any design skills. If you want a faster way to design, click on the Templates tab to explore ready-made landing page layouts. Preview a template, and if you like it, just hit Apply Template and it'll instantly update your page. Now here's the magic. Selsy's AI generator lets you create a complete landing page in seconds. Just enter a prompt or instructions, choose your language, and click Generate with AI. Your entire bundle page is ready, no manual work needed, and that's it. You've now seen how easy it is to customize your bundle page in Selsy. In the next video, we'll explore mini course landing page customization. Thanks for tuning in.